the government and us all are going to do everything that is possible to do to shield people and to shield homeowners and businesses. But the first cost, I suppose, of the war that the Taoiseach mentioned is the human cost. And I suppose in that instance, it's about our humanitarian response to the people of Ukraine and our solidarity with them, and ensuring that Europe demonstrates solidarity and supports the people of Ukraine.
OK, but if we just look at those price hikes today for people.
Absolutely. Look, everybody is under pressure. The costs are really shocking, and for most homeowners, and the government did already take action in anticipation of the cost of living pressures. In the budget last year, €1 billion targeted supports, financial supports for homeowners and businesses. The fuel increase, the living alone increase, the qualified adult increase. On top of that, they've gone further, and there's the electricity payment, the €200 to every household. That will be paid in the coming weeks. And this week, those on the fuel allowance will get €125 lump sum payment. On top of that, the government has invested €8 billion in a home retrofitting programme. So that's going to allow us sustainably reduce our consumption of fossil fuels, reduce our household costs.